Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your love energies towards you and your person. Okay, so both of your energies I'm going to check, and this is the end of September reading. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take as it resonates and leave the rest. You can reverse the roles, whatever is comfortable to you. And why I have put up the cards already, because I am doing the reversals, and since I have just started doing reversals, so it takes a lot of time for me to absorb the meanings of the cards. So that is why I'm really sorry for that. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. How you view your person, Taurus. It's the Nine of Wands in reverse. So it clearly tells us that your person has put their cards up now. There was a time they might have blocked you from social media, from WhatsApp, from everywhere, call logs, but now you have started seeing that they are actually unblocking you. They are trying to connect with you, from someone. They are trying to know where you are, what you are doing. So yeah, you are getting some kind of contact from them, which is making you feel good, because it feels like they have become a very different person. You feel like the positivity is coming towards you. You can see it. Okay, so how you are really seeing them as. What are your feelings towards your person is the Ace of Wands in reverse, and the clarifiers are the Knight of Pentacles and the Emperor. Okay, so your feelings towards this person has not yet changed, although there was a time where it was a come and go kind of an energy, like, or sometimes you were you took pause, basically, like, when they went, it was really hard for you to really accept that. But after some time you started to not to think about them, and then it was going fine. But all of a sudden, when you got to know that they have actually started talking about you, or they want to know where you are, there's a comeback of an energy of liking again in your part. But this time you are not going, since the Emperor is here, it really feels that you are not going to be the one who is going to do the first talk, or it's like you are really rigid in this thing, that I'm not going to come to you, you are going to come to me. So it's like you need to chase me, I will not chase you this time. So this is your energy, Taurus, this time. How your person is seeing you is the High Priestess in reverse, with the Tower and the Eight of Wands in reverse. So they really feel that you have become very strong, because although you are showing that you are really strong, and that is what they actually see you as. They see you as you have become very strong, and you don't care about them. You are basically, there's a little negative energies which they see in you, because they feel that you are really changed and you do not have any emotions left in you, although it's not exactly the reality, but this is how they see you. Sorry if anything hurts you, but this is how they see you. Okay, and they see that you are a missed opportunity to them, all because all the things which happened, and it's like a long gap after how much time they have come back in your life. So this is how they feel, that it's not the time to connect with you, and even connecting with you will not change anything. They feel it from inside, but they really want to mend things. They really want to build the tower which was once broken, which was one just fell down, but they want to rebuild it. So yeah, they see you as a person who is very different, but still they want to fix things with you. What are the feelings towards you? The Tower in reverse, along with the clarifiers, we have the Ace of Wands and Eight of Swords in reverse. Okay, so yeah, with the Tower in reverse, they really want to work. They feel that I can work on this relationship. If my Taurus is ready, I am also ready to work on this relationship. They are planning, something is going on in their head, although it hasn't come up in the actions yet, but still it is going on in their head. It's like a planning, it's like something going on, like, okay, I want to talk, I want to get back together. It's just in the mind, it's not in the actions yet. Okay, with the Eight of Swords in reverse, it's like the negativity, releasing of the negativity that they are trying to release, and they do not feel the negativity anymore with you. They might have healed in this duration, when they were not talking to you. So your hopes are 10 of cups, your hopes towards this person or the relationship, we can say, along with the clarifiers as the 10 of wands in reverse and the 9 of swords in reverse. Wow. So you really hope to get married to this person. You really hope that somewhere you both just get married, or you want, there's an emotional security with this person, stability with this person, and you want to happen, you want to make that happen. Although you might not show that you want it, you are showing it very differently, but you want it to happen. This is your hope. Since the time, the 9 of swords in reverse and the 10 of wands in reverse, since the time you have seen that they are connecting to people about, trying to talk to people about you, or they might have tried to contact you or unblocking you, so you have felt a little bit of relief in this case. And from some time you might be having good sleep at night, good dreams at night, and you feel that okay, so things are really calming down. You feel it somewhere, you feel that positivity again, that okay, so there's a ray of hope, a silver lining of every cloud. So yeah, you feel it. Their hopes is the Knight of Pentacles, and the clarifiers are the Star in reverse and the Page of Cups. Okay, so their hopes and their how they see you are pretty much similar, because as I already told you that they feel that you are a missed opportunity to them. They have actually become very hopeless in this situation, my dear Taurus, because they feel that you are not the same person you were before. They feel that you have changed, you might have found someone else, you are no more in love with them, you might not even miss them anymore. So because of that thing, they have started getting second doubts about this, and they're thinking that it's really useless to talk to them and to know what you are doing, because they are afraid of somewhere, they know that they like you, but still somewhere they are not ready for the commitment yet. They still are taking slow steps. They will not come really forward to you just like that. No, they are taking really slow steps over here. Okay. Your actions is the 9 of swords and 2 of cups as a clarifier and the world as a clarifier. Okay, so we have the 9 of swords. So actions, I don't see any actions going from your side, my dear Taurus, because it's like you did wrong to me, and now I'm not coming back to you. You have to come back to me. So yeah, I am not doing anything. My hands are tied. I cannot do. It could be because of some family issues. You cannot talk to this person. Okay, it could be because of any other reason, but yeah, I don't see any actions from your side, Taurus. But you really want a reconciliation. You want to be with this person. You want to go on a date, do some party or something. You want to talk to them, and you really feel, because of the actions, it feels like yeah, this bond will never end. See, the world is in reverse. This bond will never end, because it's like a repetitive cycle in which you are entering and entering again and again. This could be a person from the past which has already came back in your life, and then he or she went again, and then coming back again in your life. So this is a kind of a cycle in which you are entering again and again. Okay, so that is why the actions are like, whatever you do, this person is not going to go away ever. Okay, what are their actions? Is the 7 of cups in reverse. 7 of cups in reverse, and the Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles and the 4 of Swords in reverse we have. Okay, so their actions are also not coming up like they will just come, as I already told you, in the Knight of Pentacles and the Page of Cups energy, in the hope energies, that they will see, they will look, and no, they are not. They are taking really, really small steps. Sorry. they are really confused about it. They do not know whether to talk to you, even what exactly they should do, whether to talk to you about the relationship or getting reconciliation again. It's really hard for them to, they will show a lot of slowness in the energies with the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. If you think that things will turn fast, no, they are not going to be fast. It's like delays are coming in this thing, and they will take time. They need to process it, all the past things again, and getting back together. You might be dealing with another earth sign, because I really feel it, because things are really going slow. Might be Taurus, Capricorn, or Virgo, anyone. But yeah, things are really going slow, and they are trying to delay everything possible. So yeah, this is the thing. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Taurus. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.